Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Tradewinds Airport Hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms and a room service. Only 3 minutes from Los Angeles International Airport. This hotel offers spacious rooms and a restaurant and bar for a good resting place between travels. Free champagne is served daily. Laundry and dry cleaning services are available. Enjoy a drink from the in-room mini fridge or check out the community area with an outdoor pool, jukebox and bar. A continental breakfast with freshly baked blueberry muffins and coffee are served daily. A free dinner buffet, with purchase of any beverage, is offered. Cocktails, draft beer and wine are served at the Hurricane Lounge. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.